Did you know that immunotherapy has significantly improved the survival rate of cancer patients? Stick around to learn how this groundbreaking treatment works. Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Shruti Arora, practicing medical oncologist and hemato-oncologist in Mumbai. First, let's understand what is immunotherapy. Immunotherapy is a type of cancer therapy which supercharges your immunity to recognize and kill cancer cells. Your immune system is like your body's own defense army, fighting off infection and diseases. It is made of white blood cells and organs like lymph nodes working together to keep you healthy. But how does immunotherapy work against cancer? As a part of normal function, the immune system detects and destroys abnormal cells and most likely prevents or curbs growth of many cancers. Even though the immune system can prevent and slow cancer growth, cancer cells have ways to hide and avoid destruction against the immune system. For example, cancer cells may have receptors that make them less visible to the immune system. They have proteins on their surface that turn off the immune system, change the normal cells around the tumor, so they interfere with how the immune system responds to the cancer cells. That's where immunotherapy comes in. So it helps the immune system to recognize and attack the cancer cells more effectively. The beauty of immunotherapy lies in its ability to enhance your immune system's response to cancer. It is a cutting-edge treatment that offers hope and improved outcomes for many patients. Many patients have experienced remarkable results with immunotherapy, leading to better quality of life and even remission. How often and how long do you receive immunotherapy depends on your type of cancer and how advanced it is, the type of immunotherapy you get, how your body reacts to treatment. You may have treatment every fortnight, 3 weekly or monthly depending on your regimen. Immunotherapy is followed by a period of rest, and immunotherapy comes with lesser side effects because your normal cells are not affected by this therapy. How do you tell if immunotherapy is working? You will start to see positive changes in your body. The symptoms and signs with which you came to your doctor will improve without any supportive medicine. Eventually, after completing certain number of cycles, your oncologist will ask you to do scans, which will objectively define the response that you have from the treatment. If you found this information helpful and want to learn more about innovative cancer treatments, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.